All right, so Kelly, Forrest Gump is about to run down the hill.
It's not Forrest Gump.
And as you guys can see, right about there, there's a speed limit sign. We're gonna see how fast she runs.
But in Birkenstocks.
And she's in Birkenstocks. All right, on 3. Ready, set, 1, 2, 3, go. 21, yeah, right. 21 kilometers. Jesus, how quick is that? It literally got you going 21.
You ready?
All right, I'm gonna run.
Wait, I did it from up here though.
21 kilometers. Oh man, I gotta get you 21 kilometers. Nobody. Look, I got my. Hold on, coming straight. Why are you so far back?
I thought you were gonna come back.
I gotta put my Jordans in sport mode, so I'm putting my socks even further in, my feet further in, so I don't fall.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. You got 23. You got.
What's going on, guys? Welcome to Sauna's Lifestyle. Today's another day out here in Germany. So we're back from Monaco. We did our round trip to France, Paris. We went to Lake Annecy, Nice, and Monaco. So we got back last night. We went to the Beamer barbecue out at, how you say it, Euler?
We say it wrong.
Yeah,
Euler.
I think it's Euler. But we went out there with a lot of BMWs. I didn't get no video while I was out there, guys. Sorry. I might be able to pull some pictures. We'll see what I can do. If there are some pictures, then I'll throw it in here. But if there's not any pictures, then sorry about that. But I brought you guys on today because my wife, as you guys can see, hold on, man. I'm going to show you my wife, man. Oh, my God, girl. She's a lovely wife. Woo! Okay. Anyways.
You're so weird.
So my wife, as you guys can see, this is her X5M50I.
No, you got to say it right. The GO5
X5M50i. I'm trying to learn this BMW lingo, if you want to say. But today, as you guys can see, I got this little pry tool. So my wife, she bought some caps. They're like the M-style caps. They're gloss black. I told her I think we should paint them black. I mean black, but we should color match it to this. But she doesn't want it. She want to have it black because the rest of everything up here, as you guys can see, is black. So it will still look good. But anyways, it's got the little Nike swoosh, I call it. Right here. It's the M-style. So it gives you a little bit
Reminds
more.
me of alfalfa.
Huh?
Alfalfa.
Alfalfa?
Swimming day. Sure. Oh, alfalfa, you're a sweet poo. Yeah.
Yeah, alfalfa. But yeah, so this is gonna add a little bit more sportiness. Where'd you order these from?
Amazon.
From Amazon.
.de.
So .de. She ordered them off of Amazon. So they look pretty good quality, as you guys can see. I mean, I'm leaving my fingerprints because I'm greasy as heck. But they look pretty good, decent quality for what you pay for them. How much you pay for them? This is the right one. Do you know how much you pay?
I think 100 euros.
100 euros. So this is gonna be trial and error. So we were watching off a video. I'm gonna pop this off with this little thing. Hopefully it comes right off with ease. They say the way to actually do it is to remove the front mirror. You pop it off, and then
Are the dogs out here?
oh, they're probably in the back thing.
Oh,
But they say you actually supposed to pop the mirror off and then do something else to get it off. But we looked at the video and the guy used a tool and he just pressed in this corner and popped everything off. So as you guys can see, there's little rivets in here. I'm looking at it. I wonder if these rivets are different than that one.
We're about to find out.
Damn, I hope not.
But
Anyways,
what year was his in the video?
Yeah, I don't know. What did you? Yeah, we put that on. All right.
You,
So anyways,
you sent me the
I
link.
know I sent you the link.
You sent me the link.
All right, so we're gonna try this out. Here we go. I'm gonna pop it right here in the corner and see what happens.
Oh, please work.
I know.
Please don't break. Please. He just, oh, you're moving the whole mirror.
Oh, hold on. What is this? This cheap stuff.
It's from China. You sent me the link.
I ain't trying to break nothing though.
Yeah, it seems like you are. Dang, you see the mirror trying to go up?
Yeah, but it's not even popping.
That scared me.
All right, so the top is undone. mind you, back up. Mind you now, this, I'm over here trial and error on this $100,000 truck. Can't be doing this. Now everybody can do this, all right? So I'm just saying, I would be careful what you're doing. I'm over here really trial and error with this truck, but I think it's coming off. So use this plastic tool and see what happens. That came off.
So it doesn't sound right.
Huh? And boom, here you go. It's off. All right, so we just took it off with this little plastic tool, as you guys can see. Why are you so close?
I have it far.
Oh, okay. My bad. So anyway, so now if you look at this, right? It's the same inside. So I thought the clips would be different, and this should just pop right on back onto the normal deal here. So we'll try that out real quick. Let me stay on there. So as you can see, there's 3 clips right here, and then there is these final clips right here. All right, so I'm gonna pop this in. Look at that, that's not even on there, and I didn't take it off. Look, let me see something. It's a small tab. You see it? Mm-hmm. You pay it for Amazon, right? This is what we got. We're gonna try it anyways. It should stay on there because there's more clips. Look. I know it's broken. Don't worry about it. It's okay.
That sucks.
We'll see. So as you can see, hold on. So the wife just took the piece off, right? So we ordered it from Amazon, and this piece was already broke. That clip is this small clip right here, right? So it still should work because you have this clip, that clip, and those 2 right there. So it still should be good.
It doesn't have this. This one does. This hook.
Oh, that probably just hooks it in there. We'll see. We'll try it out. If not, we'll pop this back on. All right, so I'm gonna pop this back on. Make sure this all lines up right. I'm gonna make sure I ain't breaking nothing.
You didn't see how he put it back on though.
Didn't, but it should go right on. All right, I'm just gonna push it on. It's all plastic, guys, so just want to make sure I ain't breaking nothing. Okay, on there at the bottom. The bottom's on. This should just clip right on. Like I said, trial and error, guys. Oh yeah, it's clicking on right now.
Well, on the other one, it was wider here, and then it
was like like this.
Yeah, if you look on the other one, it's wider here. No, that's good. It's wider here, and then it closes in right there.
All right, so as you guys can see, show them is on there.
Oh, greasy hands.
I've been eating chicken today. You sure it's supposed to be gapped like that?
Yes, if you look at the other one.
All right, hold on. Let me get a cloth. But so it's on there. As you guys can see, we went from GO5 X5M50I to GO5 X5M.
What, 100 euros?
Swoosh, right? For 100 euros?
About.
But all we did was we added a little Nike swoosh on there. So what do you guys think? But let me wipe it off. We're going to do the other side. We're going to do the other side to make it match. I think it's on it, right? Just, I don't know.
It is. You can. There is a gap on the other one,
that?
if you look.
All right. So yeah. So we're gonna tackle the other side. All right. So as you guys can see, it's on there now. I wiped the grease off of it. I had some chicken today, so anyways. But let me know what you guys think. Does it look pretty good? Do a comparison to that side. So this is the new side, M. That's the M50I side. What y'all think?
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're gonna tackle this other side real quick, and knock it out real quick.
That gap.
What?
See the gap.
Okay, so it has a gap.
Yes.
All right, so go ahead and tackle the driver's side. So same thing. I'm gonna pop it here. Hopefully I don't break nothing. Going easy like this.
Ugh. You hear your Audi, friend?
Yeah, here.
That wreck stinks.
Of course, one side goes easy, the other side doesn't.
That one took you 5 minutes and change. You're already at 2 minutes on this one.
Like I said, man, trial and error, man. I'm over here having problems. Trying to get this one piece off. I'm scared I'm gonna break something. Alright. So it came off. Alright, top. Take the bottom. Comes off. Bam. Didn't break it at all. All right, let me get the other one real quick. All right, so here's the M. So we're going from, like I said, X5M50I to X5M GO5. All right, so we're gonna pop this on. So if you guys look at it, right, so these bottom clips, I will put these in first. These are more or less, they just pinch in and then just almost like a zip tie. They just, as you press it in, it locks it in further and further, right? So this one has a tab on it. So honestly, I don't even see where that tab connects.
Does that go right here?
I don't connect nowhere. There ain't no tab place. So that honestly really doesn't matter. So the other one was broken off. This one's on there. We'll see if we have any issues. I don't think we will, but we'll check it out right now.
Maybe it's to show you it's aligned. Yeah. I don't know.
All right, so you start from the bottom. Push the bottom in. Make sure it's on there. Right. And then here, you apply a little bit of pressure. You don't want to break it though. I feel like I'm about to break it.
Please don't break it.
Boom. Just like that, Kelly went from an M50i to an X5M. Shiny.
Via Amazon.de.
Via Amazon.de. This one's gap. I don't know. Is this gap right?
Let me see.
I'm not tripping. Look at it. All right.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, this.
As far as it goes in.
Oh, it's probably good then.
It's on there.
Done?
Yep, so there you go. That's pretty much it when it comes to what we're doing today. It wasn't much today. It's been a long day, as you guys know. Our journey from riding around from Paris to Lake Annecy, Nice, and Monaco has been pretty adventurous. So we're just doing a few mods to the vehicles, or to the vehicle. As you guys can see, the M5 is sitting over here. And I haven't really did a big review on it. I'll do a review and show you guys everything about it probably in the next video, before we hit the Switzerland rally. So as you see, we went to the BMW barbecue today. We picked up our Swiss rally little logos. 2023 Swiss rally. I don't know exactly where we're going in Switzerland, but it should be pretty legit though. But as you guys can see, Kelly's truck is looking mighty fine. Bless her. She's looking good, girl. Look, she got a tan, looking dark, looking like caramel. Yeah, as you guys can see though, I got a Jag sitting over here lonely. It's still under there. Let me show you guys a quick glimpse of the rim. Oh, actually, let me do the other side. You know, I be neglecting these cars sometimes, I ain't gonna lie. And this one I still need to get it inspected. I ain't got it inspected in a while. But as you guys can see, the Jag is still here. We got it. It's undercover, under wrap. A little dust here. It's dirty. Super dirty. Touches? Yeah. No, I don't have a key. And the Camaro's still sitting over here lonely. I actually ain't driven it in a minute. Tire looking a little flat on it in the back. Need to get some air in it. But you know, I still got the rides out here. You know me, man, I stay with a couple cars. I need to get that tire. And man, I'll tell you what though, once we move to this new location, hopefully here soon, I'm probably gonna throw a new wrap on the Camaro, man, because the Camaro, I'm digging the color, but I'm not liking the wrap anymore. And it's got a lot of flaws in it, as you guys can see. Let me show you. There's a lot of flaws coming up, man, and it's time for change. The wrap been on there for about a year and a half, 2 years. It's coming up here. I mean, as you guys can see here, the little paint touch-ups that I did is coming off. I want to make sure it's done right. As you guys can see, your boy did this right here, curbed the rim during the wintertime. Jesus, what's going on there, boy? Man, I don't curb wheels much, but that definitely happened, and that's because of me. And then these rims, I want to get them repowder coated, but I'm gonna powder coat them probably a different color. But as you guys can see, the clear coat's coming off here. Move out the way though. You know, these roads are pretty narrow. Like I said, man, there's a lot of flaws on the car, man. It's starting to show right here, right there. You know, it's been on there for a while, man. It's been outside, so you know, if you did a wrap on a car, man, you kind of, when you wrap a car, you want to keep it inside. You want to keep it out of the sun. It's peeling up right here. Look at that, man. I show you guys all over the place, man. I don't care. I did this myself almost 2 years ago. Still turns heads to this day, and I'm gonna redo it though. But yeah, man, I appreciate you guys tuning in to the channel. Appreciate you guys checking us out. We out here in this little village, living it up here in Germany. Just enjoying this European life, man, I guess you could say. I definitely miss being in the States. I think one of these days we will move back to the States, but for now, just keep enjoying this life, man. Keep bringing you guys videos as much as we can to show you guys what we've been doing out here in this European lifestyle, Saunders lifestyle. That's what it is. If you haven't smashed that button, go ahead and give me a like, comment, share, turn on all post notifications. You guys already know what it is. But I'm gonna end this video. As you guys can see, she got the Nike checks, aka bat wings, on her now, and she's loving it. Oh, but let me show you guys one thing before I get off this video. So, you know, we got the ground effects kit from Max Design, which I'm digging. You know what I mean? It's sporty, but still got a luxury feel to it. It's not really aggressive, as you guys can see. You know, it's got the little lip on there, right? Color matched, black and Dravic gray side skirts. But the thing I did not like, and I knew I wasn't gonna like it when I got it, was this little cheap ass flimsy spoiler. And when I say cheap, right? So we got it painted, and I know it's not the paint, it's just the wind, I think, from the car and the pressure, because Kelly be driving the heck out of this thing. But as you guys can see right here, it's starting to crack. And it's not the paint, it's actually the actual plastic itself is cracking. And I just think this is the downforce of this. So we're gonna get something better, man. I think Schnitzer has something here, or I think Dollar is coming out with something that's gonna be kind of designed right here. But we'll figure it out, man. You know me, I'm always at the drawing board trying to figure out different things. And as you guys can see, we don't got it blacked out tinted at all, because here in Germany you can't have it tinted. So that's the factory tint in the back, and obviously you can see fishbowl in the front. But you know me, man, you know I gotta have tint all the way around, but we can't do that here because I am not messing around. Damn, that rhymed. And it looked good here, man. But other than that, man, you know what, I'm about to end this video. I appreciate you guys checking this out. Saunders Lifestyle, and we out.